I've realized that a lot of business owners, we are in business because we want to help our younger self. We want to help our younger version of ourselves. So for example, I'm in business now because I'm helping that Francesca that 3.5 years ago was going to networking event and going home crying. But nobody wants to be my client, what's wrong with me? Right, but I'm also helping that Francesca that once she got fully booked, she's like, this is crazy, I don't know if I like this anymore. I want to go to one-to-many, how do you do that? So I'm helping those two Francescas, yeah? So now think, when you do your marketing, isn't that daunting when you're trying to write a post on Facebook and you're thinking that millions of people could see it? Isn't that scary? You go, it's gotta be perfect. I gotta make sure that I talk to them, right? And you think of them, you don't think about one person. But if you change your marketing to talk to her or him, your younger self. If I write anything on Facebook thinking with Francesca back then, click on it. Isn't that a shortcut? That's super powerful, isn't it? Because you go, if I wouldn't click it, why would I do that? So I'm talking to myself, my younger self. And in the story, I do exactly the same. Younger Francesca, 2 years ago, Francesca, if she met someone like Francesca now, she would have gone, where do I follow you? Who are you? Why didn't I meet you before? Shut up and tell me what to do. She would have done that 100%, yeah? So I need to talk to that Francesca. I need to make sure that I speak her language.